hyphen. Yo, Hyphe to the N. This is my song about a hyphen. Use it to join two words or more to make compound adjectives you can explore. Good looking, world famous, state of the art, one of a kind, record breaking, fast moving, first class.
Good morning, Year 6. Today we're going to be looking at hyphens and making sure that we're able to recognize how to use a hyphen in a word. So, a hyphen is a small horizontal line which usually sits between two words. We've got a few examples shown on screen. But what do we know about hyphens? Well, we know that hyphens are shorter than dashes. Hyphens have no gaps between words. Hyphens are used to avoid ambiguity, which means that they're used to help avoid any confusion or any misunderstandings. Say, for example, if you were writing the word research, we know that to research something is to find out more about a topic. Whereas if you were to research your room after having lost your phone, then it means that you looked and searched for your phone again. Okay, so we do have to use a hyphen there to show the difference in meaning. Hyphens are used after prefixes. Hyphens are used in some compound numbers between 20 and 100, for example, 73. And they can be used in compound nouns and they can be used in compound adjectives. So imagine you were out and you saw a sign, and that sign said, "Come and see a man eating shark." What are your first thoughts and what would you expect to see? Pause the video here and just have a think about what it is that you would expect to see. Super. Would you expect to see the man on the left eating a shark? Or would you expect to see the shark on the right, which we can presume eats man? A hyphen makes all the difference here. Without the hyphen, we're simply going to see a man eating shark, as shown in the picture. But with the hyphen, we can see that we're going to see a dangerous man eating shark. Here it's being used as an adjective. Okay. I wore a short sleeve shirt to work. Now, without the hyphen, I wore a shirt. It had sleeves and it was short. But with the hyphen, I wore a shirt that had short sleeves. So the hyphen again makes the difference there. I saw a bird eating spider at lunchtime. That means that you went out and you saw a bird munching on your juicy spider. Whereas the second sentence, I saw a bird eating spider at lunchtime, means that you saw a spider which eats birds. Sometimes a hyphen is needed after a prefix, which is what we talked about a little bit earlier. So we could say it took a long time to recover from the shock. But if I wanted to use the word recover in a different context, if I wanted to use it as recover, meaning to have to cover again, I would have to use a hyphen. And an example here could be, I had to recover all my school books after the old covers tore. Another example is the teacher had to recount the children because she believed that she had lost one. So if without the hyphen there, we get the word recount or recount of when you've written something, when you've written or record something that's happened in the past. But with the hyphen, it tells us that the teacher had to count again. So now read through the sentences shown on screen and have a go at inserting the hyphens into the correct places. Good idea to just pause the screen here. And lastly, to continue your learning, you can go to the link shown on screen, and there's a few more activities shown on screen for you to be able to continue. Hope you have a good day. Bye.